How does it feel to be a Nightingale?
Feels good.
Feels good to be in the lead so far.
Feels great.
We is the best. Feels like pop chops.
The mighty Nightingales.
You've got to hit this out of the ground because I'm videoing this.
I've paid my dues.
I've paid my dues time after time.
I've done my sentence, but committed no crime.
Committed no crime.
And bad mistakes, I've made a few.
I've made a few.
I've had my share of sand kicked
I've
in
had
my
my
face.
share of sand kicked in my face, but I've come through. I need to go on, 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 on. We are the champions. We are the champions. And we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world.
I've taken my bows and my curtain calls.
My curtain call.
You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes
Fame
with
and
it.
fortune and everything that goes with it. I thank you all.
No bed of roses,
No bed of
no pleasure cruise.
no pleasure cruise.
It's a challenge.
Consider it a challenge before all human race, and I ain't gonna lose. We are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. Keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. The champions, my friends. And we'll keep on fighting till the end. Oh, we are the champions. We are the champions.
Performing arts, first place. Rugby, first place. Hockey and badminton, first place. Golf, first place. Nintendo, first place. Fishing, first place. That's 7 trophies for Nightingale.
Congratulations to Nightingale, House Champions 2011.